Hi guys, welcome to Nikita Glow Quest, your space for ultimate glow up. And today's video is going to be dedicated to the most intriguing perfume made in the history of humankind, the Carolina Herrera Good Girl range. Now these perfumes come in three sizes, the 30 ml, the 50 ml and the 80 ml. The 30 ml bottle opens like this from top and you can spray from here. 50 ml and the 80 ml bottle, you have the spritzer here like this. All of these variants easily last for 6 to 8 hours on your cloth and on your body, and the sillage or projection is too loud. People will notice. My review will go color wise. It will start from blue, red, pinks to gold. The notes of the perfumes will be displayed on the screen. I will not go in detail. The notes are taken from Fragrantica website. Starting with the OG Good Girl perfume, see how stunning this bottle is. This is a beautiful navy blue glass bottle, and this one is bold, bossy and feminine at the same time. Here you get beautiful jasmine, you get tuberose too, you get the almondy notes, you get your tonka bean and cocoa bean like you get in all the ranges. This one is sweet but strong. This one makes you feel confident but feminine at the same time. So this is a perfect mixture of both masculine and feminine side, and I've got many compliments on this one. A second perfume is the lighter version of the OG Good Girl. The name is Légère. Légère in French means light, and this one is really the lighter version of the previous bottle. This one is more breezier, more sophisticated, if I have to say. And here again you get the jasmine, you get the woodsy almondy notes, but the lighter version. This is perfect for your brunch wear, perfect for your day outings. A third perfume is the Good Girl Supreme. See how stunning this bottle is, covered in all glitters. This one is the sweeter and candier version of OG Good Girl. Why candy? Because here you get that berry note, the juicy berry note, along with your jasmine and your almondy or woodsy notes. This is more playful, perfect for day wear or spring wear. This one is just amazing. Our fourth variant is the Very Good Girl perfume. Again, how dangerous, how stunning this bottle looks. Here you get the pink sole too, unlike in other variant where we do not get colors in the sole. Now this is a rose and lychee based perfume. This one is feminine, very floral, very sweet perfume. Here it opens up with the burst of lychee and rose note, but then you start getting your OG Good Girl, that heart notes, your almondy, your cocoa beans as well. But if you want more floral, more fruity version of OG Good Girl, then go for this one. And now here comes the latest edition, the Good Girl Elixir. See how stunning this bottle is. The beautiful black and red gradient here. This one is my personal favorite. This one is darkest of all. This one is the most mature Good Girl perfume out there. This one is perfect for evening, perfect for late date night. This is perfect for winter, autumns. Here you get intoxicated cherry, you get rose too, you get your almondy, you get that woodsy notes as well. This one is just amazing. I cannot stop praising this variant. Our sixth bottle is Very Good Girl Glam. See how stunning this bottle is. A beautiful red color covered in all glitters. This is perfect for evening or night wear. This one is beautiful rose, powdery rose fragrance. It's a cherry and powdery rose fragrance. Yes, you get the OG Good Girl heart notes. Along with that, you get the cherry and rose note. Our seventh variant is the Good Girl Blush. See how cute this bottle is. It's a 30 ml bottle, and this is a very feminine and graceful perfume. This is the lighter, the most floral fragrance in the whole range, and here you get peony, which is a change. in this range. You get citrusy note too, then you get your vanilla, your almondy nose. This is perfect for day wear or perfect for your spring time or spring season. This is perfect for girls, college girls or school girls, even for women too who are looking for a day wear floral scent. Next up we have Good Girl Blush Elixir. See how stunning this bottle is, the beautiful pink and black gradient. This one is the more darker, more deeper version of blush one. This one has better longevity and projection too. You get the same heart note as the blush one, but along with it you get the orientally and your ambery notes, which makes it an oriental fragrance, which makes it a night wear fragrance. If this one is a perfume which will apply at sunrise, then this will be the perfume which will apply at the sundown. And in the last we have Good Girl Fantasy. See how stunning this bottle is, all wrapped up in gold and glitter. This one is a collected edition, and here you get the beautiful blend of almond and creamy coffee. It's like you're entering into a cafe in Paris. And then you get jasmine too. You get citrusy note as well, which makes it a feminine and playful perfume too. It's a beautiful mixture of all different kinds of note. So that wraps up our journey of reviewing all the Carolina Herrera Good Girl variant. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe to my channel. Also, you can stay connected with me on Instagram at Nikita Glow Quest for behind the scene. And do not forget to hit that bell button, because only then you'll be notified of my upcoming videos. So until next time, bye bye, take care.